Today I am going to explain you chapter number 2, naming words. Naming words. What is naming words? Or we can say what is noun? The name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. Noun किसी पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग्स को जो नाम हम देते हैं उसे हम नाउन कहते हैं. You can see the example. People, here it is Anita. Name of a place, forest. Name of animal, elephant. Name of a thing like phone, etc. Now today we are going to discuss about common noun and proper noun. What is common noun? Common noun, name given to common things around us like dog, hat, school are called common noun. जो चीज़ें हमारे आस पास में हैं और जिन्हें हम कॉमन नेम्स देते हैं उसे हम कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. नेम गिवन टू पीपल, कंट्री, टाउन, रिवर, पेट्स, month, date, etc. are called proper noun. Proper noun are special name given to a person, place, cities, rivers, countries, pets, month names, days name are called proper noun. One thing we have to remember is proper noun always begin with a capital letter. You can see the example. Name of a place is given, the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the name of a special building. Name of a special building. Now, in naming word, we are now going to discuss about singular and plural. What is singular noun? Singular noun means one person or one object or one thing. Whatever we count in one is called singular noun. A noun is plural when it means more than one. When a thing, person, animal is more than one in counting is called plural. You can see the examples like cherry. One cherry, it is only cherry. Cherries, farm, farms. Mouse, mice. Box, boxes. Leaf, leaves. Now there are some rules for forming the plural noun. There is no rule for singular, but to form a plural noun, we have to follow some rules. Like some words simply becomes plural by adding s. But for nouns that end in o, s, double s, ch, sh or x, we have to add es. Like lunch. Lunch ends in ch. Then to form plural, we have to add es, lunches. Flash, it ends at sh. Simply we have to add es and it will become plural. flashes, flashes. Mess, it ends at double s. Same way we have to add es at the end and it becomes masses. Box, it ends at x. And to form plural, add es to it. Boxes. Now, some words end at the y. And to form plural of those words, we have to remove y and add ies. Like B-A-B-Y, baby. it ends at Y. But before it, we have to remember one thing, that Y, before Y, there is a consonant letter. If it is consonant, that time we will remove Y and add IES. Baby, babies. Family, families. Story, stories. But if the word ends at the Y and before Y there is a vowel word, that time we will not remove Y. We will just add S. Now next rule is, if the word ends at F or FE, so that time to form plural we will remove F from that and we will simply add VES. Wolf, wolves. Shelf, shelves. Wife, wives. Some plural nouns are irregular. For forming plurals, we have to change the complete word. Like plural of mouse is mice. Men, min. Foot, feet. Person, people. Deer, deer. One thing we have to remember, children, that some nouns don't have different plural. They have same singular and same in the plural, like deer, deer. Scissors, scissors. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Woman, woman. Goosey, geezy. These are some words which are irregular noun, but some words doesn't change in plural. Now, we will now discuss about countable noun and uncountable noun. A noun is countable if it can be counted. Like one bird, 3 cows are easily countable. So, these nouns which we can count easily are called countable noun. And countable nouns can be both singular and plural. Now we will discuss about an uncountable noun. A noun is uncountable if it cannot be counted. If we are not able to count it, it is called uncountable noun. Like sugar, rice, we can't count it. We can say more sugar or less rice. This is called uncountable noun. Like one example is here, the tea has too much sugar. So sugar we can't count. We can use too much, a little, few, such type of words for uncountable noun. Now we are going to discuss about masculine gender and feminine gender. What is masculine and what is feminine? A noun is in the masculine gender if it denotes a male. अगर नाउन किसी मेल पर्सन को पर्सन, एनिमल या बर्ड्स को डिनोट करता है तो उसे हम मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर कहेंगे. लाइक सन, अंकल, फादर. And the feminine gender, a noun is in the feminine gender if denotes a female. जो नाउन फीमेल्स को बताता है लाइक डॉटर, मदर, गर्ल, उसे हम फेमिनाइन जेंडर कहेंगे. नेक्स्ट, न्यूटर जेंडर. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट न्यूटर जेंडर एंड कॉमन जेंडर. व्हाट इज न्यूटर जेंडर? अ नाउन दैट डिनोट्स नीदर मेल और फीमेल इज सेड टू बी ऑफ neuter gender, like shoe, tent. When a noun denotes both male and female, then it is said to be a common gender, like doctor, teacher. Now listen to me carefully. Neuter gender में न तो कोई मेल होता है न कोई फीमेल होता है. It refers to only non-living things like shoe, tent, house, etc. are called neuter gender. And in common gender, words that commonly used for both for female and male, commonly used, such type of noun are called common gender, like doctor, teacher, patients. These words are used for both male and